Recently, road fine dust is high, threatening the health of the people, and the temperature of asphalt is rising due to the summer heat wave. The existing clean road system has been damaged by installing markers on the road. Also, the road excavation is causing damage to civil complaints. Blackstone's Clean Road System applies the patented technology of IoT low-power road water spray system. It measures the road environment and automatically sprays water according to the temperature set by the user, and it is installed according to the city environment and the type of water used locally, such as subway underground water, recycled rainwater. By adjusting the height of the block assembly type nozzle, it prevents foreign substances from entering and the nozzle from clogging. Since it is drained before the winter season, it won't freeze or burst. It also sprays salt water. It takes about a month to customize the installation with assembly installation without road excavation, which results in shortening the installation period and cost reduction. It also has excellent durability and is cost-effective, and it is easy to repair if broken. The Road Environment Measurement Station can be applied with 7 types of sensors, such as road surface temperature, fine dust, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, VOC, temperature, and humidity, using eco-friendly solar renewable energy. Water Remote Control Station is not controlled by the conventional PLC method, but used by a small PCB with high density. Developed 100% pure server program based on Java HTML5. It is an integration operation product of smartphone app and web that connects excessive heat warnings and fine dust special statement issued by the Korea Meteorological Administration, Ministry of Environment. This product has a reduced construction and installation time of less than 50%, and the sensor and display board are operated with solar renewable energy and optimized for maintenance with the real-time monitoring system. Blackstone is an IoT company that combines smart products and big data technology to establish a green and smart city using solar power.